Today I'm going to change the battery of Samsung Galaxy S6. I'm using this phone for 4 years and now the battery is not staying for long. So I decided to change the battery and I bought a full package of Samsung original genuine battery and including the sets, free tools to change the battery. Let's start the procedure. So first you have to turn off the phone. After turning off the phone, you have to remove the SIM card tray. Now you have to use a hair dryer to heat up the back panel to take it off. Back panel is made of glass and be careful not to make it too warm, that will damage the phone. Now you can use the suction cup. Fit on the bottom and use one of the tools. In this case, when I remove the back frame, the cover, the adhesive still remains there, so I cannot see the Phillips screws. There are 13 Phillips screws to remove. If you just lift up the adhesive, you can see all 13 screws, and now it is easy to remove the front panel from the middle segment. To remove the middle segment, you can press on the battery this side. This is the only part going from this side, from the middle segment. So you can press here and you can separate here, and it will detach and slowly separate it. That's it. As you can see, this is the battery. So it is here, you have to take it off. Using the tools provided, you can just lift it up, the battery from over the side. Be careful while doing that. Try not to bend the display, otherwise it will be damaged. Now slowly take out the battery. So that's the battery. press it. That's it. Now you can take the middle segment. So I think it's fixed properly. You can fix back the middle segment. By giving a slight pressure, just fix back. Now you can set all the screws back. There are 13 screws. Now all the screws are fixed. 13 screws are fixed. Now it is easy, better because the adhesive still remains there. It is easy, better to give a little bit heat before applying the back plate. Give an even pressure to all the sides. Last thing, put your SIM tray back. Now you can turn on the phone. Phone is turning on. So that means everything is alright. Before start using the phone, charge the phone fully. That's all. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.